So YouTube, today I'm gonna do an AquaBliss SF300 filter. This, if you can see, provide hot water and cold, gently reduce chlorine, prevent skin irritations. This basically will help you stop losing your hair and your skin being dry. It's gonna catch all the bad stuff that comes out. As you can see, it comes in. Let's open it up. Comes with an extra adapter. Comes with the sealer, and also I will attach the shower head. So now, what comes in the box? 2 filters. That, and you have your instructions. So now you have the thing. It's very beautiful. Filters in the inside. This is where you put your filters. And this is the whole thing. Now we'll attach it and we'll see how the water comes out. If it comes out with pressure, if it doesn't, let's check it out. Okay, this is the filter. Now basically you make sure your threads are clean and you put a new sealer. Okay, now you can see female, male. So you put the female side, and you can hand tie this as long as you got the little tape there. Water won't leak. You don't want to make it too tight either. And you can hand tie it, and that's good. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. You can see. So now you get your shower head, screw it on. That's how it looks. Looks pretty nice. And now let's turn it on. And voila. It is easy, simple how to put it in. Awesome. Now this will, you won't come out ashy. Takes the chlorine out of the water. Pretty good, easy, no leaks. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully this, and this is the same name brand. Right there, AquaBliss. And it's absolutely amazing. Hope you do get to choose it. In my link below, you will have a link where to buy both. That's about it. Thanks.